See, here I would like to explain in the Vastu what the way related Vastu to the business. When you think about Vastu, 90% people thought whatever I'm doing in house, same thing I can go and apply commercial or business. It is not true, my friends. Reason Vastu principles applied based on the purpose for building used. The purpose for the building used. That is important when you think about the building and versus Vastu. If you go to the residence, you need to take relax, manage your family, talk about growth about your family, you enjoy your life, good food, everything, good friends, good relatives, mother, father, wife and children. You talk about only the personal life. But you go to your office. Again, your office, what purpose your work is doing, what type of work is doing, that is important. Broadly, your office, there is administration, there is a reception, there is a accounts, there is a marketing, there is a sales, there is a finance. These are the activities are not at all at home. These are the activities at office. How to make them comfortable in the office, that is important when you consider Vastu for the commercial or business. Now I take, I'll explain what can be done in office or business or industry. If you see the north, what you can give? Money and opportunities. What you can supposed to do? You can have a directors, you can have a marketing team, you can have the sourcing team, you can store client information. All four activities are related to the north. What north gives us? Opportunity. What north gives us? Money through opportunity. What you need? Opportunity from your directors who are working for the marketing. The directors who are working for the sourcing. Why sourcing? You source at a low price for your project, you are making more money. Your sales team is a director is sitting in his location working for that, you get a more business. Similarly, you store your client information here. You store your client information here. The client will retention is important when you after you getting the client. Getting the client is a tough job. Once you getting the client, you holding the client is also a tough job. You need to add more client goes on your business. You need not worry about your client, existing client. But you do mistakes, then you lose your client. So the documentation or files related to the clients, you can keep here. Then you don't worry about your client. They keep on coming and taking services from you. When you go to the health and immunity, where you can good relation. What good relation? It's a relation with the employees working here, only the HR department takes. Relation with your clients taking here, personal. PR will take care. Relation with your visitors, reception will take care. Relation with persons who are waiting for you, waiting area. This activity can be placed here to have the best solution result for your office. Then I'm going to the clarity in mind, that is the Northeast. What is Northeast gives us clarity in mind. When you plan the business, when you plan the activities, you should have the clarity. When you hire the person, you should have the clarity. What is the job description? Are the person is suitable for this or not? That HR team will take care. The person is sitting, HR person in the Northeast, it is a good. Reception. The person who is the reception, you need to understand who is coming to the office, who is going out of office, is related to our business or not. Can I connect to my boss or others with this client? Can I have everything he can, or he can take the decision with its, he or she has a clarity in mind. And also waiting area. For your information, my friends, this Vastu sciences, it will not explain in detail about business. They use only the principles where used for the residents. For me, I am blessed to have a experience in the 21 years R&D, production, projects, business development, administration as a director, as a vice president. These are the experiences adding value to my nature science of Vastu, which is I started my school days. That's why I always proudly say I'm only the one person having international, only one person having experience in the corporate and commercial and Vastu sciences to understand your workflow to give the best solutions to you all. That's the reason I'm giving this glimpse how to use your office or industry or commercial. Go to the clarity in mind, then go to the fun and entertainment. Office should have the fun, entertainment. Should not be like a jail. So what can client area on PR, but no employment, no employees can be sit here. Only the client waiting area. Client will wait here 10 minutes or 20 minutes. He will never feel discomfort because in the fun area, he will feel very comfortable. PR is a very good place here. No employee can be work this location. The reason he put efforts on his personal to enjoy, not to get a work for the company. That is the reason no employee. Then I go to the east. It is good for the social association. You need to connect with the people. You need to connect with the society. You need to connect with the government. You need to connect with the bureaucrats. So who are there? Administration is important in your company or office. Who talks about internal or external things. HR also part to talks external and internal. And the sales team who connect with the more people to get a more business. And reception also good to give the very nice harmony relations to maintain the relationship with the person who come to the office. Next, east of south is churning area, Manthan area. It is not at all good for the office work. It is good for the store and it is good for the toilets and no meeting this area. Then southeast, it gives a liquid cash. Where you can create the liquid cash? Accountant or finance team. They sit here, they get a money from your clients, they recover money. The area is damaged, you won't recover the money. Then office or the kitchen or pantry, it is a good place. Then south of southeast, confidence and power. When you feel more money, more business, more recovery, you can see the more balance, then you feel very confident, I am doing great business. How? Then the people who involved here, accountant, and also meeting rooms is good for this area. Then south. The south is the relax and fame. The marketing, sales, finance, accounting and dining good for the south. Again, I am repeating direction, attribute and good for the business. If these things are not comfortably happening in your office or industry or business, you must have misused the place for the other things, so you are not getting good results. Then south of southwest, disposal area, put only the waste storage, no employees and toilets. Southwest. Southwest, please do understand, southwest is not necessary to sit a owner. Owner is an investor. Owner is the owns the building, owns the business, owns the company, owns the industry. He not necessarily a skilled person. The southwest is the skills. The person who run the business, who control the business, who manage the business with the skills, he can sit in the southwest. He may not be owner, he can be hired MD, he can be hired CEO, he can be hired director, R&D or production head. That is exactly need to understand. And study and savings, bank documents and director cabin. West, always owner who put a money, who is a management area, CEO or a CMD, who is the investor, who is the money managed person, can be seated west. Because is the owner of the company or business, he look for the money only. He hired the persons, different department persons. They are the responsible to generate the money. The MD or CEO, if he is the owner, is look towards getting the money. That way you get a profit and margin from the west, the person can be seated west. Then west of northwest, depression detoxify, only put a toilets and waste storage, no employee. Then northwest, banking and support, accounts, coordination team, key managers, project managers, client meetings can be northwest because it gives support. Then north of northwest, love and affection. These things will in the office different. You can have the cafeteria. People sit there very nicely, they will enjoy food and they think about company. And marketing materials, sample display, brochures, business cards. Keep this area, it will be attracted to your client. That's the advantage of North of Northwest. The way you need to understand. I can close with these two slides in 10 minutes, but you will not understand value of this direction. The reason I took a 2 or 1.5 hours about only the directions to understand, then I'm explaining that these two slides important. I'm going to explain who are responsibility and location, where I can see. Many people ask me, sir, I'm sitting this location, which place I can put my table, my chair. Owners always east side, perfect. West and east, C level. C means CEO, CSO, CFO, CEO, any C, CTO, CMO, where it may be. C level people can west or southwest, they can see east. And receptionist, location northeast, north of northeast, east or northeast, they can sit and see it east or west or north, south. Operation manager, operation team sit at west or east, see the east or north. Admin people sit at east or west and see it face at east or north. HR sit at northeast, northeast, north of northeast, they can see east or north. Sales team sit at east, see the west. Marketing sit at south, also west, north, but see the north facing. Account southeast, see the east facing. Finance team, R&D team, process team, PR team, planning team, production team, quality team. This many departments in the industry and office and corporate office. It is all different from what you do at home. It is very important when you talk about office vastu, industry vastu. I'm going to share this few slides to all, no worry. Now I'll run that. When you consider the commercial vastu, I'll take more time to explain. If you're interested, people stay, continue for next 10 to 15 minutes. Commercial vastu. When you consider commercial vastu, is for office, is for hospital, is for the college, is for the institute, is for the restaurant, is for the hotel. Whatever I'm talking, this is the things, each and every building purpose is different. You need to consider again different way. Hotel cannot be same into the restaurant. Restaurant, people will come, have a lunch or dinner, enjoy their food and go out. They talk about food and taste. Can I come back again or not? They can go spread about that restaurant. Hotel, they came and stay, reside there for 2 days or 1 day for their job or business purpose. When they travel for luxury trips, they stay in the hotel. Hotel, that is a different purpose. You need to give the best services in the hotel. When you go to the college, you talk about the education, where principal can be sit, where director, where the professors, where the departments be located, where the sports, where the activities, it is a quite different. In office, it's a different. When you see the office, shape, size, reception, location, Brahmastan, business promotion area, main entrance, door location, door view, location of the master cabin, and CEO, manager, director cabin, financial department, staff placement department, location arrangement of the conference room, and facing towards when they sit in the colors of interior, table, workstation, benches, location of the pantry, canteen, placement of toilets, and location of commode. Then industry, there's a different area. Main gate, employee gate, goods entry, the slope, height, basement, and effluent plant, toilets, septic tank, and overhead tank, water, or scrap, raw material, semi-finished, finished, final raw material, starting material, product, final product, ready to deliver. These many activities are there. Production team, quality team, R&D team, troubleshooting team. This many departments will be there in industry. It's not easy to understand. Then if I go to the industry, these are the activities can be located in this area. If I go to the hospital, surrounding of hospital, shape of the entrance, reception, waiting area, doctor's waiting hall, OP, IB, wards, ICU, and maternity department. Gynecology is important, where they can put a department, the patient will get a good result immediately. Operation theater, administrative office, storeroom, medical shop, toilets and electric panels. These are the different from other business. Hotels and restaurants, waiting area, ambience, colors, room location, bed location, bed facing, gym, meditation area, restaurant area in the hotels. And you go to the education institutes, you go, the way it changes when you go to the business to business. Now I'm taking one example to explain how it can work out. This is the office, a plain office. I divided into the 16 parts. Then I allocated activities. I'm going to show you. Allocated the activities based on the attribute. Then gave to the interior designer. Interior designer come with a plan. The way it is, say for example, is good for the work, PRO, PMs, project managers. Not good for the cabins. Inverter and cafeteria only can keep. Only good for the cafeteria, kitchen. Good for the work, cafeteria, kitchen, workplace. Good for the workstations. Here, south of southwest, good to store wastage, no work, no workstations, no missions. Then this is good for the seniors, senior management, skilled person. Good for the finance person, good for the administration person. The way it is allocated, then give to the administration, interior designer, they design this office. Suggested implemented here. The way it works in the office Vastu. I'll take another example. This is one office. This is not at all good in the Vastu purpose. You convert into the 16 directions. First, identify the entrances, then give the solution. These are the solution. This area you cannot suppose to sit. South of southwest is the west of northwest. This conference room is the west of northwest. You know me, business meeting will happen very nicely. This is the south. You thought in the southwest is sitting here, but is the south of southwest. You will not get results. You putting lot of efforts. He's not making money. Is the washroom is the southwest. Southwest supposed to be a skilled person, but toilet is there. What happened? Toilet is there. The toilet disposes the skilled person. Creativity and relationship. Employees will not stay with us. We will lose your recognition. You will lose your skills. You will not do the better. The way. Then we will give the corrections based on the availability of the space without any physical alterations. Then this is another office. The way we work it out. This is one residential plan. The way we make identify true north, convert into 32 divisions. Where is entrance? I'll take example here entrance. This is the northeast here. I'll show here. This is the northeast. If the entrance is a N8 location, this is only the northeast entrance. This is not northeast entrance. This is 8 number is only the northeast entrance. This is the east and E1 is the not good entrance. So this is also another thing to understand. Here you can see one house here. He put entrance by thinking this is a northeast, but he put entrance at 7th part. This 8th part should be entrance, but he put the 7th part. If you have the entrance 7th part, the person who is there in the house, girl, will not listen parents' word. She will leave the house. She will go for love marriages. She will go out of the house without listening parents' words. The way it will happen, the entrance is here. This is one example I'm giving. Then I'll take a 1 minute about the road hits. Don't worry about road hits. These are the road hits we need to consider based on the which direction, how much area road is hitting. Don't place any Ganapati here, please. Depending on which element, the direction, that elemental metal, you can use a swastik to come out of the problem. These are the type of road hits. Then I'll take I shared this information with many times. When you go to the office, you may consider or not, but you need to understand that which color dress you wear in the day for getting good results. See your day and which direction good to travel, which color should use. I'm going to share this image to all. Put me a personal message, I'll share this information. Then I'll suggest one thing. I'll take 2 minutes more. I'll take 2 minutes more to talk about few suggestions. When you go to the office or meeting, you can put on your videos, please. You can come out